Seco Island. Have you ever experienced kite surfing? In Antique, Seco Island is known to be the prime spot for kiteboarding. It's a small, pristine island situated in Tibiao town, ideal for those who prefer fewer crowds and want to try activities like kite surfing. Number 2. The Ruins, Negros Occidental. This heritage site in Negros Occidental is a must-visit not only because of its architectural beauty but also because of its history. The ruins is what remains of the mansion built by Don Mariano Lacson in honor of his wife, Maria Braga, who passed away when she was about to give birth to their 11th child. Japanese forces abandoned and then burned it, leaving it destroyed, yet the skeletal frame remained. It's now a tourist attraction that people can visit in Talisay City. Number 3. Lacson Island, Negros Occidental. People who love to visit the islands will love Lacson Island because of its powdery white sand and turquoise waters, which every beach lover adores. It's a banana-shaped island where the largest floating bar in Asia, the Tauhai, is found. Come here to enjoy island life with activities like kayaking, snorkeling, and banana boating. Number 4. Danjugan Island, Negros Occidental. Danjugan Island is not your ordinary island. It's marine and wildlife sanctuary that houses lagoons, white sand beaches, caves, forests, and majestic coral reefs that adventurers will love. There are so many ecotourism activities to do here. So if you're the type of traveler who likes to be close to nature, then Danjugan Island should be on your list. Number 5. Manhuyud Sandbar, Negros Oriental. Manhuyud Sandbar in Dumaguete is best known as the Maldives of the Philippines. It's a strip of white sand about a 15-minute boat ride away from Bai City coast. Come here early at 6 a.m. to maximize your time before high tide and get to do fun activities such as dolphin watching nearby. is Kalangaman Island, Leyte. Kalangaman Island is located in Palumpon, Leyte. It's a paradise-like island known for its stunning white sand and crystal clear waters, a picture-perfect visual of a beach paradise. This unspoiled, beautiful island is perfect if you like serene and idyllic attractions, offering the best sunrise to sunset views. Number 7. The Berry Island. Berry Island rock formation is composed of 4 small rocky islands located in that perilous area where the San Bernardino Strait meets the Pacific Ocean. The incredible strength of these natural forces has caused the islands to take on distinct and interesting shapes. Berry Island, Northern Samar. Did you know we have our very own rock formations in Northern Samar? On Berry Island, you'll spot beautifully sculpted geological rock formations that were the product of natural forces over time. Number 8. Cambugahay Falls. Location, Siquijor. Have you ever been to a waterfall that looks so immaculate when you see it in person? If not, travel to Siquijor and visit Cambugahay Falls, a 3-tier waterfall that cascades into bright blue waters. It's so picturesque that it feels like paradise up close. Number 9. Islas de Gigantes, Iloilo. Experience Iloilo Island life when you go to Isla de Gigantes. There are lots of things to do here that will make your visit worthwhile. You can do island hopping, leisurely stroll along the sandy shores, explore caves, eat fresh seafood dishes, swim, and more. Number 10. Apo Island, Negros Occidental. You shouldn't miss this incredible island when you visit Dumaguete. Apo Island is a volcanic island that offers a variety of marine activities that every beach lover will immensely enjoy. From diving, turtle watching, and snorkeling, you'll be mesmerized by its colorful marine life when you go exploring deep underwater. Number 11. Guimaras Island. Guimaras is an island province located southeast of Panay and northwest of Negros Island in western Visayas, Philippines. Guimaras Island is best known for its mangoes. But did you know that there are various tourist attractions you can visit here? Don't forget to try the famous mango pizza, go island hopping, on eat several beaches, or explore the Barras Cave. Number 12, Kansalakan Enchanted River, Negros Oriental. Kansalakan Enchanted River is one of the many beautiful places in Visayas, and it sets deep within the forests of Negros Oriental. People describe Kansalakan as enchanted because of its consistent deep greenish color, something that is rare to find. People visit the Kansalakan Enchanted River for its incredible beauty and serene atmosphere. The main thing to do here is to bathe in its fresh and clean water. The river is decorated with small streams and circular rock formations that serve as small natural pools. The most prominent natural water hole is fondly called the Eye by locals. Number 13. Last but not least is White Beach, Boracay, Aklan. As one of the Philippines' prime tourist destinations, you can't complete your Visayas journey without ever seeing Boracay's famous white sand beaches. See its glorious sunset, experience the island nightlife, do tons of water activities, and enjoy delicious restaurants when you visit Boracay soon. And now, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching again to our channel. For those first-timer to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells for more video updates soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.